Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate the world of real estate and make informed decisions when buying a home. Today, we will show you how to use the Realtor.com app to estimate how much home you can afford, making the process easier and saving you time. First, open the Realtor.com app on your phone. Next, look for the More option located at the bottom right and tap on it. Next, in the Buying Home section, click on Estimate how much you can afford. Here, you will start by entering your annual income before taxes. Then, enter the monthly debt payments you make for loans or other debts. After that, click on Estimate Home Price Range. You will then choose your city and enter the available funds you can spend on your down payment and closing costs. Next, if you or your spouse have served in the military, make sure to toggle Yes under the military service question. Finally, click on Estimate Home Price, and the app will provide you with 3 affordability categories: affordable, stretch, and difficult. Using Realtor.com's affordability estimator gives you a clear picture of the homes you can realistically consider. This helps you plan your budget, save time, and make smarter decisions when buying your next home.